Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to count characters, words and sentences online from a writing. Suppose you have this writing and you want details like letters, words, sentences, paragraphs, etc. and also want to know the repeated words and their repetition times. So let's start. So first of all, head to google.com and look for word counter. Okay, the wordcounter.net is the exactly one we want. And now I'm just going to copy the whole writings and going to the browser, pasting it. Okay, now the details are on the right side. As you can see, there are totally 318 words, okay, in this writing. Characters with white space, okay, 1754 total. And characters without no spaces, without white spaces, it is 1436, and there are all over 20 sentences, one paragraph. If I click and enter here, I just want to see whether it shows me two paragraphs or not. Okay, as you can see, the paragraphs are two. Okay, now, and if you go scroll down, the keyword density, you can see there the word video is repeated for 8 times, click for 7 times, and documents for 7 times also, and so on. So I just want to check whether it is correct or not. Video, okay, so I'm pressing Ctrl and F in my computer and going to type video. Okay, it showed me 8 times, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it is for 8 times, it's correct. And then the want, it is for 5 times, it's showing, so I'm going to write want, and it is 1 2 3 4 5, and yes, it's for 5 times. And by this way you can check all the details you want from a writing easily with the help of this website online. And lastly, I think I could show you the exact thing you wanted, and hope you like the video. If you really like the video, then please share it and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Don't forget to hit the like button too. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.